If you're wondering what happens if you connect HDMI cable to your OnePlus 13 and PC, first I have this hub right here that allows me to connect USB-C to my phone, and then the HDMI port right here. I'm gonna connect this laptop that you can see in front to this hub. Just give me a second, my cable just fell down. So let's try to plug it in. And now that it's connected, I'm going to connect the USB-C end to my phone, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the phone is connected, and as far as I've checked, there's no pop-ups showing on the phone that anything was connected. And now we can also see the display ports on my laptop right here. So sorry, it's in Polish, but it says that there's only one display currently connected, which means you basically cannot connect the HDMI cable to your phone and then get your phone display on your PC or vice versa.